In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Zoho WorkDrive storage. Understanding your storage usage is essential for managing your digital workspace efficiently and ensuring you have ample space for all your projects and documents. So let's get started by logging into Zoho WorkDrive using your preferred web browser. Once you've successfully logged in, shift your attention to the bottom left corner of the interface, where you'll find the Admin console. Click on it. This console is your gateway to managing and monitoring various aspects of your WorkDrive account. Upon entering the Admin console, you'll find yourself in the dashboard. This is the main hub for all things related to your team's storage usage. The dashboard opens by default, offering you a snapshot of your team's storage consumption. Alongside this, you'll also see the number of users on your account, the status of your licenses, and even an overview of recent file activity. These details are immensely helpful for keeping track of how your resources are being utilized. Now, if you're interested in diving deeper into your storage specifics, you'll want to look beyond the initial dashboard overview. Navigate to the sections labeled Team Folders. Here, you'll find a more granular breakdown of storage use. This section provides insights into how much storage each folder is occupying. It's particularly useful if you want to identify folders that are consuming larger amounts of space, or if you simply want to reorganize your files more effectively. Additionally, explore the Manage Team Folders area within this section. This feature allows you to further dissect the storage allocation per folder and even per individual user. By looking at these detailed reports, you can identify which team members are using the most storage space. This is incredibly useful for optimizing storage usage and planning for any additional space that might be necessary as your team grows or as projects evolve. Remember, keeping a close eye on your storage not only helps in maintaining an organized workspace, but also ensures that your team can continue to function efficiently without any storage hiccups. By regularly checking your storage usage, you can make informed decisions about whether you need to upgrade your storage plan or simply redistribute existing resources more effectively. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily monitor and manage your Zoho WorkDrive storage, helping your team stay organized and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your digital workspace.